Hello and welcome to another unboxing. In today's video, I've got 7 Matchbox cars. I went into a store and I found a brand new case of Matchbox cars. Now as you can notice, 70 years, this is like a 2023 Matchbox cars. I almost said Hot Bros, even though they're owned by the same company. The first one, 1970 Honda N600 Off-Road. Let's open. And here it is. Had so much difficulty opening this. Look what I've done to the card. It was that bad to open. And the next one, let me get it out of my backpack. Porsche Cayenne Turbo. Let's open it. And here it is. The next Hot Wheels. Matchbox. What the hell am I talking about? Where is it? I'm having difficulties finding them. I found my snack. The next one, Tesla Model X. Let's open it. And here it is. Didn't know Matchbox cars were so harder to unbox. And the next one, 1936 Ford Coupe. Let's open it. And here it is. Apparently Matchbox don't want you to open your cars because they're so harder to open. And the next one, 1985 Porsche 911 Rally. Let's open it. And here it is. Pretty nice looking model. And the next one, 1960 Chevy El Camino. Let's open it. And here it is. Now while I was at the store, I accidentally almost bought 2 of these. But then I realized at the cash register, can I go get another one? And then I got the Tesla Model Y instead of the double car. I don't collect 2 cars, I only collect 1 and I open it. And the next one, 2016 Chevy Camaro Corvette. Let's open it. And here it is. This took me way longer to open than those 7 or 8 Hot Wheels that I uploaded yesterday, maybe a few days ago, depending on how I have time to upload. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!